Welcome to the Info Ghost. Today, we're going to talk about the future of electric cars, from their environmental benefits to their performance capabilities. We'll dive into what's in store for electric vehicles. So, what makes electric cars so special? For starters, they produce zero tailpipe emissions, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. They also have lower operating costs, with electricity being generally cheaper than gasoline. And let's not forget about their performance capabilities. Electric cars have excellent acceleration and a smooth, quiet ride. Despite their advantages, electric cars still face some challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is range anxiety, the fear of running out of charge before reaching your destination. This is a legitimate concern, especially for those who need to travel long distances. Another challenge is the high upfront cost of electric cars, which can be a barrier for many consumers. So, what's being done to address these challenges? For starters, governments around the world are investing heavily in electric vehicle infrastructure, including charging stations and public transportation systems. This will help alleviate range anxiety and make electric cars more practical for long-distance travel. Additionally, advancements in battery technology are expected to improve the range and efficiency of electric cars. Another exciting development is the integration of electric cars with autonomous driving and connectivity features. Imagine being able to summon your car with the touch of a button, or having your car navigate through heavy traffic for you. These features are already being tested in various parts of the world, and they have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about transportation. As the demand for electric cars grows, manufacturers are also focusing on sustainable production processes and materials. This includes using renewable energy sources, reducing waste, and sourcing materials from environmentally responsible suppliers. By prioritizing sustainability, manufacturers can reduce their environmental footprint and appeal to consumers who care about the planet. In conclusion, the future of electric cars looks bright. With their environmental benefits, performance capabilities, and technological advancements, electric cars are poised to become a major player in the automotive industry. Whether you're a car enthusiast, an environmentalist, or simply someone who cares about the future of transportation, electric cars are definitely worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel